Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients: 2 cups milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa, 2 tablespoons sugar. Use whole milk for creamier texture versus skim for lighter flavor. Have a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla ready. Heat milk gently in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Whisk cocoa and sugar with 2 tablespoons warm milk into a paste. Add paste to simmering milk and whisk for 1 minute. Do not boil. Remove from heat when small bubbles form. Serve in a mug. Top with 2 tablespoons whipped cream or mini marshmallows. Try different chocolate forms like 2 ounces chopped dark chocolate or 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. Use whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk for varied flavor and creaminess. Adjust sweetness with 2 tablespoons sugar, honey, or 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Add spices like 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. For richer texture, whisk in 1 tablespoon butter or 2 tablespoons cream at the end. Make it Mexican style by stirring in 1/4 teaspoon chili powder and a pinch cinnamon. Place 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon cocoa, and 1 tablespoon sugar in a microwave-safe mug. Whisk briefly with a small whisk or fork to dissolve cocoa and sugar. Microwave on high in 30-second bursts, stirring between each burst to prevent boiling over. Total microwave time is usually 60 to 90 seconds depending on power and cup size. Do not boil. Stop when the milk steams and small bubbles appear around edges. Stir vigorously and taste. Add more sugar or 1 teaspoon vanilla if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.